Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Great, now I'm gonna look like a twat pushing it again. Yay! Oh, look at that cheeky little fucker sitting there, boys. Welcome back to another episode of 8-Bit Motovlogs. Wonder what these slippery little bastards are up to. Dog unit. It's a dog unit. I've actually forgotten what I was going to talk about this episode. Oh my god! Fucking hell, why a mesh in the road? Mother of God. So in this episode is another story time. So picture this. In the middle of cold wee old China, on the Great Wall, standing in like fucking 4 foot of snow, and these steps are huge. So yeah, standing in like 4 foot, maybe more snow, and these steps were like from here to up to about here. Hard to tell on the GoPro, I know, but you're gonna have to, you know, sort of make do with my GoPro measurements. The steps were so fucking massive, it's unbelievable. Like literally, I was aching for days on end. Oh mate, what are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Absolutely impeccable. Amazing sceneries, everything. We didn't have long to climb the Great Wall, so it was sort of a last minute thing where we climbed back down and went from there. When we got to the bottom, like literally, it was basically snowing all the way to the Great Wall of China in, oh fucking hell, I don't know which province is in now, I feel bad. I'll put it on the screen. Oh shit, no. That's dangerous, man. Dangerous. Someone should have cleaned that fucking shit up. Anyways, we get down to the bottom. We're almost there on the way home. Yada yada yada. To get back on the coach. And these Chinese people, you know, the locals, show up like looking cross-behaved with a baby, like fucking hell. They're not used to seeing Western women over there. Like, I'm talking like literally the absolute locals now, like that don't travel anywhere else and that see their country for what, you know, the true beauties of their country, sort of thing. And well, we come across one of those, and it was almost pretty much like a family of them, and they were like trying to get my wife at the time to take a picture of her, and then they call us specific things in China. They call us white devils. It's absolutely fucking hilarious, mind. It's where the Western world, and when I went over there, right, Google was banned, YouTube was banned, Twitter was banned. The only thing you could get on there was, oh fuck, what was it? I can't remember what it was, but yeah. It was literally to China only, like this app. It was a bit like WhatsApp. Fuck no, what was that? It's a bit like WhatsApp. But anyway, back to my point. Yeah, they call us white devils, so they actually nagged her for the photo to be taken. And they were like, oh yeah, foreigner! Why? Sorry, I'm not trying not to be racist or anything like that. I don't intend on being racist. But they were like, oh yeah, white devil! Picture! But they did compliment her hair and stuff, which was nice of them. And so they were like, oh, I love your hair and stuff. The White Devil wasn't part of that conversation, mind. That was something we received from the tour guide. They did actually call her White Devil. I'm only joking. But no, the tourists, when we were tourists there, they were pretty, really friendly. They liked us as Westerners and stuff, and like, I don't know what it is. It's just, and the time before that, right? I know I'm rambling on again now, but when we first landed, we were jet lagged and everything like that, so there was a lot of jet lag, and obviously we slept for like a day or two. And then when we were due to travel to meet up with the company, the travel company, I was outside because I used to smoke back then. So I was having a cigarette. That's why you got a fucking L plate on, dickhead. But yeah, outside having a fag, picture this, chaff chaff chaff. And literally, right, some little skinny ass Chinese man came up to me, yeah, and he was like, oh, how you doing, making conversation and all that, like they do normally, or like they would normally. And they were like, oh, where you from, what language do you speak? This guy must have been fucking bilingual for his profession, I'm telling you, right? And he was like, oh, I got something to show you, are you interested? I went, right, okay, I'll hear him out. Maybe he's trying to sell me some cigarettes or something. No, what does he whip out? A massive book, right, profiling a load of women. So first thing that clicks in my head was like, oh fuck, he's a sex worker or fucking something like that. But no, he had this book of women, right? And he was like, oh, which one you like, you know, pretty ladies, nice small hands, you know, good hand jobs. I was fucking dying, mate. I was fucking livid. I was like, look man, my wife's upstairs, married, and she's like, oh, it's okay, she don't have to know, she won't know what hurt her. And I was just like, oh my god, I was like fucking absolutely creasing. I was like, no, I'm okay, thank you very much. So I left it at that, and I was like, yeah, I quickly finished my fag, by the way, and just fucking legged it. So yeah, that was, hope you enjoyed story time. Click the like, comment and subscribe. Love you, bye.